I've got Doug Lawrence with Lawrence Team Homes. Hello, Doug. You brought us another new piece of property today.
It's 601 Parham Drive. It's in Chattanooga. It's in the Red Bank area of Chattanooga. And it is, less than 15 minutes from downtown, more like 12 minutes from downtown. And Kevin, this is a really excellent property from a standpoint of it's got a great location. It's got a huge lot, which is rare for, as you know, for the close to downtown locations. This is a wonderfully maintained 3-bedroom, 2 full bath house, and it's 1,354 square feet, but it seems to live a lot larger than that. So it really has. I mean, you can see the hardwood floors are beautiful. The kitchen's been recently updated with granite countertops, stainless appliances, updated lighting, and the home is just very bright and it's a wonderful little property that's going to make somebody a great starter home or a move down home or heck, whatever home they want it to be.
That's right.
And it's $349,500. And we priced this to sell, and we've had a lot of good activity on it. I'm excited to hear what you've got from the standpoint of financing on the property.
Man, this home is ready to move into. I mean,
absolutely.
It's ready to start. They've done a great job with these finishes, and that's a beautiful floor. The lot, and you're talking about the lot. That lot is incredible. The front of and you're right, this would be a great starter home. And Michael and I were talking last week, and in this price point, this is right about the average. And I think the average price right now is what, $351?
That's correct.
Okay. So this is a perfect spot for that, for this home. So at $349,900, and here's what I really like about this. The taxes on this home are only $162 a month.
Oh, I know. It's wonderful.
And, there's so many different options that we can have on a home like this. And we're going to talk about 3 of them, and then I'm going to give you a different breakdown.
Sure. So Thank you.
At 3%, we're only talking about $10,497. Now, if you think about a total payment of $2,597, you and I both know we can't hardly get an apartment or a rental property for that. And if we do, we're going to have to come up with $5,000 or $6,000 for first and last month.
That's correct.
It makes sense, especially in this market. I've always said it. And when I say especially in this market, we are still going up in values. So at 5% down, we're talking $17,495 with payments of $2,507. So that's somebody that is not a first-time home buyer that is required to put the 5% down.
Right.
And at 10% down is $34,990. And here's the key. And here's something that I've really been focusing on lately when we're having a real financial conversation with our folks. The difference between 5% down and 10% down is 17,000, almost 17,500. The PMI with 10% down, Doug, the PMI is only $44.61 a month.
Oh, that's nice.
Now, if you think about that, with 10% down, with our property still appreciating between 5 and 8% a year, after 2 years, they're going to be out of the PMI. So and let's call it $45 a month. We're talking, what's that, $600 a year? So $1,200 over a 2-year period, and you don't have to come up with an additional $17,000. To me, that makes financial sense. Okay, especially if you've got that $17,000 that's working for you. Let it continue to work. It's about having a real conversation and sitting down and seeing what's important to people. All right.
Now, let me ask you a question. If in that 2-year period, rates should dramatically decrease and a person has the opportunity to refinance, what happens then? Is there anything you can do?
Not only is there something that we can do right now, and we still have this out there, we're giving people a 5-year certificate that if rates do drop and it makes financial sense to refinance,
wow,
there's no lender cost and we pay for the appraisal. So
that's great.
we feel like as a company, as a lending body, okay, that the rates are going to come back down. We are sure with the way that inflation's going, and we've actually peaked, it started to come down. We're going to start seeing the rates come down, whether it's by the end of the summer, first, third quarter, we don't know. There's no magic silver bullet. In fact, you can hear my phone going off. I forgot to turn that off. Uh, but if the rates do drop in the next 5 years, we're going to refinance people at no lender cost, which is
Wow,
huge. Okay.
that is huge.
So
Now,
it's,
when somebody goes in to drop their PMI, they don't have to refinance at that time, correct?
no, they do not. They do not. Here's the key, and this is not what everybody will tell you. Once you have PMI, you're going to have PMI for 2 years. All
Right.
right. Unless you refinance and get out of it.
Oh,
All right.
okay. So you have to refinance after 2 years.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So that
Well,
even
no,
makes your
just a second.
program even better.
Yeah. Hold on just a second. You don't have to refinance if you just stayed in the original loan. You do not have to refinance to get rid of the PMI. After 2 years, the PMI will go away. Now, if you do refinance during that 2 year period and your loan to value is under the 80%, then the PMI is going to go away.
Thanks for the clarification on that.
Very good. Well, Doug, what's the best way to reach you and your team?
Our hotline number is 423-883-1823. That's where you can reach any of our top Lawrence team agents.
Very good. And what about your website?
Let me talk about our new website, which is homesforsalechattanooga.com. And if you're looking to purchase a home, that's the best place to go. It's updated every 3 minutes. It's going to give you more accurate information than all these regional sites like Zillow and Realtor.com. But yeah, homesforsalechattanooga.com. And if you're selling a home, I still feel that our LawrenceTeamHomes.com is an excellent site because it gives you all the seller support and all the information you need when it comes to selling your home.
Fantastic. You heard it here. And guys, if you want to talk about the lending side of this business, my name is Kevin Blair with the Kevin Blair team at Element Home Loans. You can reach us at 423-488-7571. Our website is kevinblairteam.com. If you like this kind of information, hit subscribe, hit share, ring that bell. If you want to contact us, if you don't want to call, you can go to my About page, fill out the form, and I will call you. Doug, man, thank you so much.
Hey, thank you, Kevin. And I also want to thank you for everything you do for our clients, for our team. Your support is wonderful, and thanks for always bringing us kudos.
Fantastic.